design DNA. This is the new milestone for us and we hope it creates a new legacy for us as well. Just like our earlier smartphone inceptions. Real sound, real design, real clarity. The all new real choice for India. And of course, we will soon start manufacturing right here in India. We believe in making world-class products in India for India. Our commitment to Indian users have never been compromised even during such a difficult time. Customers have spoken about their real needs, which is the real picture, real sound and real design. I want to invite our digital director of Realme India, AMAAN, who have been continuously interacting with customers to get their feedback and opinions on Realme Smart TV and AIoT products to understand their real needs. Over to you, AMAAN.
Hi everyone, I am AMAAN, Digital Director of Realme India. Today I am ecstatic to bring you some exciting AIoT products that we have been working on. But before we get to the main hero of the day, the Realme Smart TV, we have some more interesting products for you to enjoy. So let's start with Realme Buds Air Neo. As Madhav mentioned, we have got tremendous response for the Realme TWS launched last year, and it became the second best selling TWS within a month of its launch in 2019. Well, adding on, what is more exciting is that we have sold over 1 million wireless headphones so far, including both Realme Buds Wireless and Air. We are truly grateful that our fans have trusted our headphone products. And today, we are introducing Realme Buds Air Neo to offer a more affordable and smarter TWS experience. Why have we named it Neo? Neo means new style. With trend-setting technology and design, Realme Buds Air Neo will help you make the latest fashion statement and stand apart. After the success of the classic white version, this time we are introducing two Neo colors, red and green. In our consumer survey, red and green have been voted as the most desirable colors by youngsters, and we believe these two Neo colors epitomize the very definition of being trendy. At first, let me show you some pictures. Whatever you wear, Realme Buds Air Neo can always complement and elevate your style. Although we have brought new colors and style to Realme Buds Air Neo, we have not compromised on any core feature. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with customized high-performance R1 audio chipset based on the Bluetooth 5.0 protocol with super low latency mode. The latency is only 119.2 milliseconds, the same as that of its predecessor Buds Air. So if you are watching movies or playing games, you will have a real-time audio experience just like using wired earphones. Once the case cover is opened, Buds Air Neo will be recognized by your phone automatically. And once the connection is made, Realme Buds Air Neo will never forget your phone and will connect to it instantly, giving you a seamless pairing experience. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with Google Fast Pair out of the box, making the experience more intuitive. Users can also experience touch control features on Buds Air Neo. Double tapping while play or pause, triple tapping to skip to the next track, a long press on either buds to wake up Google Assistant for voice operation or end a phone call. Remember super low latency mode? Well, you just simply long press on both sides to enter or exit. What's more, you can set up and customize touch control features in the Realme Link app as per your usage habit. Now let's talk about the battery life. Realme Buds Air Neo is the most reliable companion. On a single charge, it can last for up to 3 hours of continuous music playback. And with the charging case, it can achieve a battery life of up to 17 hours, which is sufficient for more than a day of normal usage. In sound quality, Buds Air Neo upgrades to a bigger 13mm driver with LCP Advanced Multi-Layer Composite Diaphragm. The dynamic bass boost solution also continues on Buds Air Neo to provide a powerful bass experience, giving you an immersive experience while watching movies and listening to music. The Buds Air Neo has a semi-open shape appearance suitable for long-term wearing. It only weighs 4.1 gram and you can hardly feel it in your ear. In my experience, I always tend to forget about it because it's too comfortable and light to feel. That's Realme Buds Air Neo for you guys, with new trendy colors but no compromise on the core true wireless experience. Before we reveal the pricing, let's see some highlights of the Realme Buds Air Neo. It features instant auto connection, a large 13mm dynamic bass boost driver, 119.2 milliseconds super low latency. It also supports 17 hours total battery life, intelligent touch controls, and the best of all, you can easily connect it with the Realme Link app and personalize it to suit your needs. So before we move on to the pricing, let's have a look at the product video.
Realme Buds Air Neo. True wireless, real choice. Realme, dare to live.
So friends, with all these features, the Realme Buds Air Neo is priced at Rs 2,999 and will be available on realme.com and Flipkart. It will soon be available in offline stores too. For customers who hate to wait, the Buds Air Neo white color will be available on sale today at 3 p.m. So go and grab one for yourself. For all those who are planning to get the red and green color variants, we'll make it available for you soon. So that's all for the first surprise of the day. Hope you would love the seamless and short latency TWS experience of Realme Buds Air Neo. Now it's time to unveil the second surprise of the day, Realme Watch.